Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be showing you guys my current false lash application. And today I'm using my favorite go-tos from House of Lashes, the iconic lights. There is an original version which is more dramatic, but these are the light version, which I love and feel like they go from night to day looks, and I can't live without these. They retail for $12 and they are made with synthetic hair. So now we're going to go ahead and start. First, I like to size the lashes to my actual eyes to see if they fit, or do I have to cut them off. Usually for the iconic lights, I do cut off a little bit, and I like to cut off from the outer edges. Now with the iconic lights, they start from a shorter length to a longer length on the outer edges, and that is why I cut from the outer edges to create that natural look. So that is the amount or length of hair that I cut off, and I just want to show you it so you can see how much I cut off to fit my eye shape. And this is just the House of Lashes iconic lights, so it might range for me from other brands. But that is the amount, and I usually just take the lash after that and wrap it around my pinky finger for a natural curl while I do the other side. The same exact thing to the other side from the outer edge of that side. So I cut off the same thing, and I do also want to mention this Revlon Precision Clear lash adhesive that I've been trying out. This lash adhesive has become one of my favorites to date, and I have been finding myself reaching for it all the time. It has a wand so you can apply it to the band evenly, and it doesn't get tacky too fast, and it doesn't take forever to dry or get tacky. So it's just so perfect to me, and it dries down clear. So I think I'm going to be buying a bunch of these in the future, but that is the amount of lash adhesive I do apply to my lashes. While I wait for that to dry or get tacky, I also do the same to the other lash. Now I'm going to go ahead and take my Anastasia Beverly Hills mini kind of tweezers that I've had forever and use all the time. And after about a few seconds, maybe 30 seconds, it gets tacky enough where I can apply it to the eye. Now, where I place the lash is important, because if you place it directly into the inner corner, the lash adhesive could get wet, or normally or probably will get wet, and will undo the stickiness and will come off, and your lashes will come off. So I recommend placing it a little away from the inner corner, and it still works out perfectly fine and natural, and that's just my preference. So then I just use the Anastasia tweezers just to place the lashes exactly where I want them to be and make sure it's still in place. And then I take the very important red cherry lash applicator, which I think a lot of brands carry, but this shape is definitely important in my experience and my opinion to kind of bind your natural lashes with your false lashes to create a natural lash. So I definitely use this, and I will continue to be using this all the time now, and I'm not going to skip this part, but I squeeze every part of the lash with my natural lashes. So I'm going to basically just do the same thing on the other side, but again, this is my current go-to routine of applying false lashes. They're definitely my favorite part of the makeup process, and they are a must-have. So hope this helped you out if you needed the help, and I will see you guys all next time in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe and check out my other videos. Bye guys!